Welcome back, artistic family. Today we're working on two canvases, two completely different ideas. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas panel will be the first one. I just have a matte piece of paper that is a template, comes from a gallery wrapped frame. And then we're using some leftover shiny, reflective, beautiful gems that I got a long time ago from the craft store. And then we're going to give a little bit new life to elegance and simplicity. There was an old painting that I recently done a few weeks ago that I've been staring at. And so one of my goals for 2026 is to get right on that and get rid of the clutter and rework an old painting fairly early after I'm done painting it. So here I'm just applying some crackle paste, fairly thick, as I wanted to adhere the gems to it as well. And I also love when the crackle paste is thick as well, especially for this design. It's going to be very minimalistic and simple. Anyone can do it. I've sped up the process here because, as you can tell, it would take a long time to apply all these gems. And then once I have the simple design complete, I go in with some spray paint, which actually is a bronze, and you'll see in a moment, but it actually appears on camera as like a champagne color. And then it, funny enough, dries more like gold. So we're going to go ahead here, and you can see the beautiful crackle paste and how it just adds so much interest to these little gems. And once it's all done and spray painted, it really comes to life, of course. Although I wish I could have kept that shiny reflection from them. Now here I'm doing one of my water techniques that I love to do with spray paint. And if you've seen Haze and Mist, which was the first time I did it, I fell in love. I will link that for you to take a look. But it dried beautifully. And as you can see here, it kind of looks like gold bronze, but it is a bronze spray paint. And I love how this turned out. Very cute. It was just a fun DIY trying to get rid of some old materials. I don't like clutter at all. And yeah, this is something I'll explore, but maybe in a different pattern. So now we're just going to move on to Elegance and Simplicity, which is going to get a whole new name along with some new life. I'm using some warm, earthy tones just to bring this to life. And if you stay till the end, you will see how easy it was to make this very impactful and yet dramatic just by adding simple colors and exposing the layers and keeping a lot of the texture that I want to enhance. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all for being here. I appreciate all the love you've been giving me recently. And if you follow me on Instagram, please do. If you don't, you'll know that my commissions are closed. I have gotten tons of sales in January, probably more than I've gotten in any month at all, maybe in a few months at one time. And I've also been added to an online gallery. I was requested to do that and on Instagram, and I accepted, and so that's great. So I appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. I'm going to put on some music for you and for me, and I will see you all in the close-up. Just adding 2 colors to this textured painting completely transformed the look. And the textures that I love are really enhanced compared to before. I love the light and the shadow in this. The interplay is always stunning to me, and I try to add that into most of my paintings. And I'm loving the textures, and I love the composition, and it went from being elegant in simplicity to now being titled Along the Shore. I love how this turned out, and if you guys enjoyed the creation process and the video, please hit the like button, share, comment. It's free. It really helps the channel, and it also lets me know what you guys want to see more of. So until next time, I'll see you all in the next painting.